If you want to share any of the custom items, you can go to the main menu, go to create items, then click on the main menu of your character that you want to share, and here is your option to share it. Now next is the pack. Now to share a pack, right click and you can already get the share option. Now same with another file, which are the projects, you can right click and get the option for sharing them. Now a better one, share everything to your friend. Now go to the main menu, go to app settings, scroll down, go to local backup here on SD card. Now click on create a backup. Now this backup will be stored in the SD card, animating touch backup. Here is the file. Now you can click it and share it. Say this one thing to your friends, that they should open these files with only the app Drawing Cartoons 2. If you really have a doubt on opening Drawing Cartoons 2 files, you can watch this video about the topic.